Building Materials and Technology Promotion Council, BMTPC, presents Prefabricated Concrete Construction. The Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana Urban and Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana Gramin have been initiated for urban and rural areas respectively by the Union Government, with a mission to fulfill the dream of the Honorable Prime Minister of India to provide a decent two-room Pakka house with electricity, water and toilet facility to every household of the country by 2022, the 75th year of independence of the country. This challenging task requires an integrated approach to deal not only with land, finance, regulatory mechanism, but also use of appropriate building materials and construction practices so as to ensure fast-track delivery of affordable, quality and durable houses.
BMTPC is mandated to identify, evaluate and promote emerging construction systems suiting to different geoclimatic conditions of the country, which are safe, sustainable, environment friendly and ensure faster delivery of quality houses. Government of India has authorized BMTPC to certify such new systems through Performance Appraisal Certification Scheme. 16 such new systems have been evaluated and certified so far, which can be broadly classified as engineered formwork systems, precast sandwich panel systems, hot rolled steel and cold form light gauge steel structural systems, and precast concrete construction systems.
The environmental, time and resource constraints of present time demand a paradigm shift in the choice of building materials and construction practices from the traditional like in situ burnt clay brick masonry and RCC slab to more advanced clean and efficient construction systems. Precast or prefabricated concrete construction, as is popularly known in one such system, it includes those buildings where the majority of structural components are standardized and produced in controlled environment at a factory or manufacturing site in a location away from the proposed building and then transported to the site for assembly. Originally developed in countries of Northern Europe, precast construction is one of the world's most common and resource-efficient way to construct a building. Various types of prefabricated systems, method of construction of buildings in certain order and discipline, have been used after Second World War in Eastern European and former Soviet Union republics. With massive plan of building houses in a short span of time amongst various options available, precast prefabricated concrete construction systems is seen to be a viable time-tested alternative. 4 different types of precast prefabricated concrete construction systems have been used for mass housing in the country now. The industrialized RC frame systems with walling elements, precast RCC framing elements such as columns, beams and stairs are used to form the framed structure. The reinforced precast solid slabs for floors and roofs may be of normal weight or lightweight concrete. The main framing elements, that is columns, beams and slabs, are partially precast for about 60 to 75% of their overall final cross sections to facilitate wet jointing for intended structural integrity. Other RCC precast elements such as shear walls, lift shafts, service ducts are integrated into the frame skeleton depending upon seismic design demand, height and configuration of the structure.
The 3S system has numerous technological advantages like reduction in deadweight, enhancement in thermal and acoustic comforts due to AAC block and reduction in the cycle time of construction. If the tangible and intangible financial benefits are to be quantified, there is a time saving of 15 to 20%, the cost saving about 20 to 30%.
The frame structure, once erected, does not look different than any other concrete structure. Precast large panel system. It is large wall and floor panels connected in the vertical and horizontal directions so as to enclose appropriate spaces for rooms within a building. Horizontal floor and roof panels span either as one-way or two-way slabs. When joined together, horizontal elements act as diaphragms that transfer lateral loads to walls. Weffelcrete system. Structural ribbed load-bearing panels of reinforced precast concrete are bolted together. The joints between the panels are then caulked to form the walls floors and pitched or flat roof building. Mixed system. In this pre-stressed hollow core slabs are used as roofing and precast elements for walling.
We adopted this technology because it is a factory-based construction of building elements. By this technology, we can do construction 24/7 independent of weather. It is environment friendly. It uses less labor and highly mechanized in nature. Direct advantage which we get using this technology is reduction in time by around 35%, cost reduction by around 10%. The quality and durability using this technology has got no match.
The design concept of the precast prefabricated concrete buildings is based on buildability, economy, safety, and standardization of precast components. Prefabricated buildings are designed with proper structural integrity to avoid situations where damage to small areas of a structure or failure of single elements may lead to collapse of major parts of the structure. Prefabricated concrete construction brings more resource efficiency and flexibility compared to cast in-situ construction. Controlled environment ensuring quality in production. Environment friendliness by reduction of wastes. Possible uses of industrial wastes in concrete and reduction in use of water and cement. Safer and healthier environment. Reduction in dust and noise pollution at construction site. Ease of working in all weather condition. Structural efficiency. Quality and durability in structure. Speed in construction, ensuring faster delivery. Overall economy. Success of prefabricated system depends on effective utilization of spaces, straight and simple walling system, limited sizes and numbers of components, limited openings in bearing walls, regulated locations of partitions, standardized service and stair units, limited sizes of doors and window with regulated positions, structural clarity and efficiency, ease of manufacturing, storing and transportation, speed and ease of erection and simple and effective joining system. CPWD has already adopted prefabricated concrete construction systems and is using them in their projects. Indian standard also gives provisions for design and erections of buildings using prefabricated concrete. National Building Code 2016 also covers provisions of different prefab systems for construction of buildings. The keys to successful implementation lie in the careful planning and understanding of the close relationship between design, construction, detailing, execution and manufacturing of precast components.
BMTPC is striving towards creating an enabling ecosystem to mainstream new construction technologies with the help of CPWD, Bureau of Indian Standards and state governments. Various government departments and state governments are also floating technology-neutral tenders to adopt these new systems. It is now for the construction fraternity, especially public and private agencies, to embrace these new systems for achieving housing for all targets and building better and resilient India.
With backing of performance evaluations by BMTPC, National Standards and National Building Code, CPWD Schedule of Rates and related guidelines, and a number of successful projects in the country, prefabricated concrete construction provides a very good option for the housing agencies in the country to construct quality and durable house in a fast-track manner to fulfill the requirement of providing shelter to all.